Hello and welcome again to our YouTube channel. In today's video, from the easy WordPress tutorials, we are going to see a very nice trick about how to embed Twitter, either to embed a tweet or a complete page page of Twitter from some account into your pages and your posts. We'll be doing this using an embed link or using a code. Okay, let me go back to our WordPress site. If you remember, in part 3 we had made these great colors. We had changed the colors of the links, and you had changed the colors of the header and the color of the post itself, and so on. So let me go back to our step 2 post to add some features to it again. So here, if you come to the end here, I need to add one link below. So I will adding from here plus. And I will select from the last one at the end, very end. Okay, I'll show you one small trick here. You can add a list of your latest posts to this post. So it will coming the list of the latest posts we had done together while we were making this practicing, and we were importing and exporting our posts from online and offline. I will link you this because this is very great hint or tip. I will link it to you in the description. You can add here, this one is coming, and if you click on any of this, you will go to this post. So you can add it as a summary. If you're having a series of posts, you can add it every time below below your post and the end of your post. So I'll be adding another thing. This was not my main thing, but just a side idea so I don't miss it. So I will come to embeds. I will come to Twitter. Okay, now if I need here to enter a tweet here, he asks me for a URL. So I will be going to my Twitter page, and for example, I need to add a post for one of my tweets. I'll select this one with the colors, for example. So if you click on this small arrow here, it says embed tweet. If you click on it, it will open to you a separate page. This separate page has two codes or two links in it. On the top of the page, you have this URL, which is the one the WordPress is asking for. So I make copy for this one, and I go to my post again, and I add it and embed. You will find that the tweet is coming. Okay, and it's coming very beautiful, and coming here if you need to see other tweets from the same author or from the same owner of the same Twitter account. And you can add a caption here, whatever you like to add it, select your way or whatever. Okay, that's one way. Another way to add it, which is also, I'll take a link from Twitter. I'll come to I think it's widgets, no, formatting, need to find HTML. Yes, it's custom HTML. Okay, if I return back to the Twitter page which is giving me the links, if you come here, you'll find a lot of code here. Copy code, it's copied, and I return back, I added here, okay, as a HTML. Okay, and then I make preview. Okay, you can see these wonderful colors again. So if I come back down here, that's the code which we used, the tweet where we used the simple URL address of the tweet from our Twitter page. And this one, because we added a caption under it, so I know this. And the other one is the one which I entered it using an HTML code. The idea of using HTML code within your posts, and why WordPress allows you making this, because some features, if you are well aware of how to customize your and develop your web page, you don't find it ready made in WordPress. So you need to enter some codes from your own. So that's, I will save this one as a draft for now, and let me go to our pages. For example, I will come to front page. Okay, let me view our front page, how it looks. So that's our home page. Okay, suppose that I need to edit this page now, and I add my Twitter account, all my Twitter account I need to edit here. So I'll turn back to my dashboard. Okay, and my page. Okay, and I will edit this one. Okay, I will go to the end. Have this great sign plus. I will add a plus, and I need to add also an embed. I need to embed Twitter again. Embed Twitter. Now Twitter is waiting for me for URL address. So I will go again to my Twitter account. Here, you see this simple address here. You just copy it. Okay, and go here and embed it. This is on your home page. Okay, now that's your full Twitter account coming in a window with all your tweets. So if I update my home page like this one, and I turn to it again here online, refresh it. Sorry, that's not home. I will go to home. Okay, if you go here, you will find all your tweets coming. This is the default size, and you have a link only view on Twitter, and like this you can go through all your recent tweets, and the graphic is in them. Okay, so I'll show you one little trick, because I know the using HTML tags is a little bit interesting. I will come here and I'll select edit as HTML. Okay, and I will come to this figure. If you know a little bit about HTML, this will be nice to you. So style, okay, equal. I'll be adding these double quotes, and I will add here height. I will add 100, small one, very small one, but just to demonstrate you, pixel and semicolons. Okay, and I will add update. Okay, convert to HTML. Update. Okay, let we see our home page again. Again, we are having this lengthy one. So what happens if I refresh the page? You can see now it's coming only as a height as 100 pixels. You can increase, now this is the width, you can increase the height, and you can that's a little trick. In coming videos we will see too much how to make code inside our WordPress customization, so we can make great things. So I hope this trick helps you in making your posts and in making your pages on your WordPress installation. Share the information, like, subscribe, and wait for our coming videos. Thank you very much.